Hello, welcome. We are continuing our tutorial on linear programming. We are taking the introduction aspect and the inequality. In this episode, we want to treat a linear inequality that involves two variables. So if a linear equation involves two variables, then it's going to be in this form: ax plus by plus c less than, okay, equals to 0 if possible, or ax plus by less than c. This less than can also be replaced with less than what equals to. It can also be replaced with greater than or equals to. Now where the a and b cannot be equal to 0, because we are looking for two variables. The a, b, c are constant, or they are just numbers which are multiplying the variable. So if a and b is 0, then it means that this inequality will not contain a variable, because this is going to be 0, 0, 0 less than c being a constant. So this is an example of linear inequality that involve two variables. So we can have any example as in 2x minus y less than 7. This is an example of linear equation involving two variables. So these are the two variables present. Now, in solving a linear equation that involves two variables, we are only looking for ordered pairs. Which ordered pairs can satisfy this inequality? So that when I put in the ordered pair, those ordered pairs that satisfy this inequality become the solution set. The solution set of this inequality, which numbers, when replaced with the x and y, will produce a true definition of the inequality, such that the number here will become less than the number at the right. That's the meaning of finding the solution set. That's the ordered pair. All right, so let's see. So we can see a question like this, as in determine whether each of the following point, or which of the following points satisfy this inequality, meaning which of these points will become the solution set. So what we do is that this is a point for x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. We replace the x and y in that inequality. So for the first one, we can have 2 times 4 minus 3 times 1 should be greater or equal to 6. I believe 2, 4 will give us 8, 3, 1, 3, greater or equal to 6. So we have 5 is greater or equal to 6. So per the inequality definition, 5 is not greater than 6, nor is it equal to 6. So this point does not satisfy this inequality. It doesn't satisfy it. It means it can't be the solution for that inequality. Then let's try the next one, which will be 2 times a times x, which will be 3, minus 3 times y, which will be 0, should be greater or equal to 6. We know 3, 2 will be 6, minus 3, 0, 0, greater or equal to 6. So I can have 6 greater or equal to 6. So we can see that 6 is not greater than 6 anyway, but 6 is equal to 6. So in this case, we can see that the solution set can be 3 and what? 0. So this is to say that this point can be the solution set of this inequality. All right. In the next episode, what we are going to do is to learn how we can be able to solve any inequality that contains two variables, how we can put them on a graph, that is graphing the inequality that involves two variables. So this is just an introduction to that. Come back to this space for the next episode. See you in that episode. Bye bye.